You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding.
Come on. Who's getting in? You come in?
You got cinnamon rolls and cookies. Okay, cereal. What? Cereal?
No. Oh, breakfast.
Did you hear mommy cereal?
What? Yes. Put it in here.
Oh, this one. Okay,
Taste it for the camera. Let me see you taste it. Is it good? Okay, quiet, Jordan. Somebody watch the basket. It says yellow watermelon. Yeah, get 2 of them. Get 2 of them.
It's so heavy. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Don't drop it, Jordan.
No, no.
Don't, just softly put it down. Yeah. Huh?
It's a small one.
Holla. Hey y'all, so we just got back from y'all favorite store, Trader Joe's. And it's becoming, I mean, I can't say it's my favorite store because I think this is like only like my 2nd time going there. Okay, but y'all, so right now we just got back from church, Trader Joe's, and I'm going to do a haul video for y'all and show y'all guys. Hey, stop, Neil, go! I'm doing a video. Show you guys what we got from Trader Joe's. So first, y'all, we got this organic 2% milk. He got this sparkling berry lemonade, which I know he does not like. I got this non-dairy oat creamer brown sugar. All of you girlies be talking about this, so y'all, I had to get it, okay? My kids wanted these cereals, so they got these tiny fruity cuties and these crunchy cinnamon squares. Jordan, stop spinning around near the TV. Then we got this beef bulgogi. I don't eat this. He does. We're gonna see if he likes it. Then I got another cantaloupe because I'm gonna be juicing. I haven't even cut the fruits from the other day yet, so I needed to get a little more for the juicing because when you chop up that stuff and you juice it, sometimes it don't even be like enough. So had to cop another one, okay? So second bag, I got 2 packs of these tortilla chips, like the little Takis. I opened up the other ones, they're over there, but I got 2 of these. I got the mandarin orange chicken. Shh, I don't care. Then I got the beef and broccoli. Got the roasted corn. I got some vegetable fried rice. Got some blueberries, strawberries, which I'm gonna cut these up. I did not get vinegar, but we have to do go to the store, so I'm gonna go get some vinegar and stuff. then I see a lot of you girlies use this green goddess dressing. It's avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. Stop, meal. So I'm gonna test that out. So for another bag, I wanted to try these organic Elo corn chip dippers. It looks sort of like if y'all ever ate the chili cheese chips. That's what these look like. We needed onions, so I got onions. Got onions, and then they have these. I never saw any mini yellow watermelon, but they had these, so we got 2 of these little mini yellow watermelons. Okay. So then the next bag, I've been wanting to really try these pieces that y'all be getting, so I got the Bambino one for Maggio, so I got that one. And then he got this butter chicken warm-up thing. And then I really wanted to try these Dutch griddle cakes. I saw it on the girl store today, so I got those. And I already ate one of the salads. I had a lemon salad, and then this one is a Southwest salad. Y'all, we really love their hash browns, so got some hash browns. My kids wanted some cookies, so we got this chocolate chunk cookie dough, gluten free. Then we got some pink salt. Then the last bag, my kids wanted some French macarons, so we got that. I got some pasta, so this is spaghetti fettuccine. And then I got this rigatoni pie. Then I got this this organic beverage. I had it last time I went for the first time, and it was really good, so I just got another one. Then we got this onion salt seasoning. Then we got this organic ground black pepper. I got a thing of black beans. I got some mini baby zucchini. He got some, I think, Gouda smoked cheese. We still didn't get lunch meat again. Wow. Got some Trader Joe's salsa. And got some kombucha. And I'm gonna tell you guys, and my kids got like some little candies. The total we spent was $167, which was really good. Which was really good for all the things that we did get, y'all. $167. Trader Joe's. Get there, y'all. And yeah, so that's all we got. I'm just gonna put these things up, and I'll get back to y'all later once I'm out getting laundry detergent, toilet paper, trash bag, and possibly a trash can, because we really need a trash can. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. And yeah, peace. Hey y'all, so I'm back, and now we're about to start our dinner before it gets too late. And the kids are coloring at the table, so we're gonna just go ahead and start our dinner, and then we're gonna clean after that, like once we getting the kids ready to like lay down. So I'm just gonna use these little container things. I'm just gonna like rinse them off with some soap and stuff, water.
Mommy, here. Oh, Mommy, here. Mommy, here. We got our nails.
Yeah, your nails are... What was that, thunder? Your nails are so beautiful, Camille. We got the Mandarin chicken, Mandarin orange chicken, and then we got the beef broccoli. So I'm just gonna take both of these, and we never got the beef and broccoli one. We never got the beef and broccoli one. So let's see. It comes with broccoli. It comes with the beef. And it comes with the sauce. We're going to open this. I don't know, y'all. You can either do it in the microwave or the oven, but for some reason I prefer the oven. So then we're just gonna open up this. Then dump it in there. So y'all, it looks like this. Now I'm just gonna open up the sauce. And I hope you're not on my tablet without asking. We're just gonna open it. Let me turn the camera down, y'all. I got a lot going on right now, okay? So then we're just going to just get this all over this. Now we're going to open up this one, and don't mind my dishes, y'all. Jordan, I'm busy right now. So now we're just gonna dump the orange chicken in here. And I really should have probably baked it first, then put the sauce, but it usually doesn't even take that long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and already add the sauce. Can you guys be polite while I'm vlogging and stop the noise? Camille, go to your own room. Get out of my room. Thank you. You see your daddy's on the phone with those people trying to get the Wi-Fi going, and you're over there making all that noise. Okay, you know why? Because you're too loud and cannot hear. So now, y'all, I'm just gonna kind of like try my best to kind of stir it up. I know it's still kind of frozen, but we just gonna make it do what it do. And then I'm just gonna throw it in there because I'm just gonna wash it after. So now, y'all, I'm just gonna put it in the oven.
No, you always say no. I want to get the best. Yeah. I'm gonna take some loose.
I really should.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love. I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I swim on? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we invent.
Hey y'all, what's up? So my phone died, but y'all, I made a nice little mocktail. Cute, right? I made a little mocktail. The ingredients was this sparkling berry lemonade from Trader Joe's, and then this power red juice. So I've already put sugar in here. This one's for him. So you're just gonna put lime. I put the lime around. Get him a popsicle so he can get out my camera. And then you just voila. Then we're gonna take the sparkling water or the sparkling lemonade. Okay, because the sparkling is going to make it taste like this something. Then we're going to take the juice. Okay, then now we're going to take the lime and cut your little piece. Put it on the corner. And voila! This is how our dinner came out. Just rice, the orange chicken, beef and broccoli. This is my husband's plate. This is my plate. And yeah.